Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 budget dash cams available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget dash cams. The 5th product on our list is the THiEYE Dashcam Wi-Fi. The THiEYE Dashcam features a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect your phone to their app, THiEYE DVR app, available on both iOS and Android. In the same way, you can easily access to configure, playback, download, and watch incredible HD video with your phone. Likewise, you can live preview when you are near the dashcam. Unfortunately, you can't use it to monitor your kids when you are not in the car. This camera offers excellent 1080p Full HD resolution video and 170 degrees ultra-wide angle all-glass lenses, which also means you can get excellent picture quality at a wide field of vision while recording events surrounding your drive. Specifically, the 170 degree wide-angle lens allows you to record up to what is on 4 lanes of traffic and not only what is just in front of you. It records not only road signs but also road markings and number plates. Other great features of this camera include motion detection, parking monitor, and 24-hour monitoring. Once a bump is detected, the parking monitor activates the car dashcam, which automatically records using the 180 mAh battery. On the other hand, motion detection only works when the dash camera is turned on, and it records when it detects motion. This causes discontinuous recording from the camera, unlike 24-hour monitoring. If you want to record continuously, you need to turn off the motion detection function. This parking monitor records only for a few periods due to its low battery capacity. As a result, there is a need for extra hardware connecting to the power source during an extended period of parking mode. Its pros are: it has G-sensor, which detects sudden changes in motion and collision. Also, it has a 24-hour parking monitor, which records automatically. The dashcam can be rotated in 360-degree view to record things outside and inside the car. However, the cons are: the battery capacity is low, therefore can only record for a limited record time. The image quality merely does the job, rather than being a revelation. But if you're after a bargain dashcam with a sensitive G-sensor, 360-degree rotation, seamless loop recording, and 24-hour parking monitor, the THiEYE Dashcam Wi-Fi is worth a look. Up next in the 4th place is the Innosinpo Dashcam-A10. The Innosinpo Dashcam has a 3-inch large LCD screen, 1080p Full HD and 12 megapixel resolution to record and capture more explicit videos and images. Even though most dash cameras take low-quality videos during high speed, the Innosinpo Dashcam-A10 records critical moments at good quality. Do you want to avoid disputes that could arise over insurance claims? Well, it would help if you tried investing in this camera. Its super large screen shows a synchronal image and enables you to vividly see every detail when playing back, thus creating an excellent visual experience. It provides you with the much-needed information needed as evidence during an investigation. Also, it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens that allows you to record a broader viewing angle. The occurrence of blind spots is significantly reduced by its ultra-wide field of view, capturing more details to reveal the actual scene. Aside from having motion detection, on-off audio, license plate stamp, and timestamp, it also has a built-in G-sensor that detects a sudden shake or collision and locks the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten, even in loop recording. With this, the accident scene can be truly restored. One of the camera's unique features is the presence of f1.8 large aperture, wide dynamic range, high dynamic range that ensures the clarity of images at night. All they do is help you eliminate the need for a supplementary light source even in low light environments, making it easy to capture sharp images. It increases night safety because it reads car license plates in low light conditions. Its pros are: it is easy to install and use. It has super night vision WDR technology and an f1.8 large aperture that ensures the clarity of images at night. It can lock footages to prevent the video from being overwritten even in loop recording. However, the cons are: the battery of the cam serves only as a file backup, and it has insufficient memory space, therefore needs a micro SD card. The Innosinpo Dashcam-A10 is an exciting proposition if you want to add a dashcam with super night vision, WDR technology, on-off audio, 170-degree wide-angle lens, and easy to use. Still haven't found a dashcam that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini. The Garmin Mini is a tiny, tried-and-true dash camera that records and saves videos of incidents. It is as small-sized as a car key, which goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. Unlike the Innosinpo A10, the Garmin has a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures crisp 1080p HD footage that allows you to take incredible picture quality at a wide field of vision. It automatically records and saves videos of incidents and has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that uploads saves footage to your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. The wireless connectivity makes it easy and convenient to share videos with friends, insurance agencies, or legal authorities. Furthermore, it has an auto-sync feature that allows you to control and playback footage from up to 4 cameras on your smartphone using the Garmin Drive app. However, it lacks a large aperture and wide dynamic range present in the Innosinpo A10 that ensures clear images at night. Therefore, there is a need for an auxiliary light source during low-light environments. Its pros are: it is tiny and can go virtually unnoticed on the windshield. It records and saves videos faster. Also, it auto-syncs videos to a mobile phone using the Garmin Drive app. However, the cons are: it has a lesser wide field of view, and the camera gets hot after prolonged usage. If you want a great quality mini dashcam that records, saves, and auto-syncs videos, the Garmin Dashcam Mini is well worth considering. The second product on our list is the Garmin Dashcam-65. The Garmin Dashcam-65 is a small and prudent device with an extra-wide 180-degree field of view that captures more scenes in an environment, including different lanes in high-quality 1080p video. Its 2.1 megapixel camera produces high-quality videos with 1080p capture that works even during a period of low illumination. It also has a frame rate of up to 30 FPS, frames per second, and a battery life that lasts for about 30 minutes, a significant feat for a mini dash camera of this nature. Aside from having a forward collision warning that alerts you if you drive too close to a car ahead, it also has lane departure warnings to alert you if you deviate from your lane. In other words, this camera monitors your movement and alerts you when you are making a wrong move. Furthermore, it has a voice control feature that allows you to command the dashcam with your voice while driving. For instance, by saying, "OK Garmin," you can save a video, take a pic, start-stop an audio recording, and start-stop the travel lapse feature. With the travel lapse feature, you can record and share your adventures in an easy and fun way while condensing the long hours of driving into minutes of highlights. Its pros are: it is easy to use and install. It has excellent collision detection, incident detection, and lane departure. And it has a voice control feature to perform various tasks. However, the cons are: it has a low battery capacity. It requires a large micro SD card due to its small internal memory. The Garmin Dashcam-65 is an exciting product worth checking out because of its forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and its easy way to record and share videos. Before we reveal number 1, check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. Be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the market's best products. Finally, our top dash cam is the Rexing V3. The Rexing V3 combines great front and cabin inside-facing cameras, each recording 1080p video at 30 fps with 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lenses that open up to capture the surroundings' excellent views. The cabin camera depicts day and night scenes with clarity using an infrared vision sensor and a Sony Starvis image sensor. Wide dynamic range (WDR) allows both cameras to perform optimally in low-light situations. Rexing V3 replaced the popular lithium-ion battery with a supercapacitor superior alternative that delivers power for a more extended period and features enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. Furthermore, with a 24-hour parking monitor feature, the dash camera can automatically turn on and record when the car camera detects vibration. Simultaneously, the built-in G sensor inside the dashboard camera detects collision, locks current video, and ensures important footage is kept. Locked videos are safe from being overwritten. Moreover, loop recording ensures new recordings automatically overwrite the oldest recordings when the memory card is full. The V3 stays unnoticeable due to its sleek design, black exterior, and an unpronounced interface. Its pros are: it has a supercapacitor battery for enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. It has infrared night vision to capture explicit night scenes. And it also has internal GPS logger to mark time, date, location, and speed information to recordings. However, the cons are: it requires a larger micro SD card space. And it also requires an external power source because the battery has a limited usage period. If you do a lot of driving at night or need quality videos from a dashcam, Rexing V3 is the right dashcam for you because of its infrared night vision, loop recording, and internal GPS logger. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.